Section 4. Section 4 is about identifying your authentic self. Identifying your authentic self is the most important core value that you must engage in. Remember, everyone is going to connect with you when they feel that you're authentic, that you have a sincere motive behind your presentation. You must try to go back, go inwards, do an inner dialogue, try to understand how you value something so much. Why is it so important to you? And your authentic self always resonates and always gives out that frequency and that vibration that everyone connects with automatically. These are ways where when you have self-transformed yourself, when you have done the healing, when you have had the proper tools to feel your genuine self, is so important. And I cannot stress more importance of this aspect. Understanding your true authentic self and going inwards is the most important way to become the best individual before becoming a presenter. You see, everything comes from your inner core values. And the second most important part is that in order to be your most authentic self, you need to have a complete understanding and knowledge and wisdom of your program, of your topic. Your delivery should have so much depth, and it should have so much immense flow of knowledge that everyone can feel your expertise. And that is how they will automatically engage with you. They will understand you. They will proceed to liking all your courses and perhaps sign you up. So make sure that you have done your homework very well and you are aligned with the latest updates, the knowledge, the technology, the research, because if anybody comes up to you and asks you a question, you should be a thorough, learned individual, having all the right answers and all the correct knowledge to transfer to the audience. So this is something that is truly the most important thing. And that leads me to my second point, that is rapport and trust. By being your authentic self, by having the complete knowledge and wisdom is the only way to gain that trust with the audience. Remember, no audience is going to listen or take you seriously unless they have developed that trust. Also, in my Section 3, where I shared with you the ways to engage your audience in a participative manner by applying the 8 strategies, is also a way of building that trust. It is also a way of connecting. And always make sure that after the presentation, you have different mediums of communication channels and portals that the people can easily get in contact with you and feel more connection. The third most important part is to use very eloquent phrases and sentences and crisp professional use of words. By that I mean always be careful in never using slang or informal gestures, especially when you are texting or emailing anyone. Try to use words like I appreciate, I respect, can I have the permission to be direct with you? So all these vital wordings really helps. And now I come to a very important aspect, and it's a table I would like you all to listen and have a look at. It's the intrinsic recognition. These are the core needs that the audience should feel that you are delivering, and that is when you're going to get your connection. The other thing is emotional regulation, the third point that I wanted to come upon. This is when you are completely in control of your emotions and you are never triggered, you are never compelled to do something which is beyond your level. Always make sure that you have enough authentic control in yourself that no one should be able to press those red buttons, and no one should. And a lot of times you will see many people trying to provoke you or trying to disalign from your true self or your line of speech or the track that you're going towards. Remember never to allow any trigger or disturbed feedback from the audience drift you from your track. This is super important, and it only comes with practice, patience, and learning how to have your EQ at its highest. Remember, everything stems from your high emotional quotient. This is something that is truly helpful. And the last most important part is, with all these three aspects in control, you are able to have a specific charisma and aura about your body language, your personality, and your rhythm. This develops into a beautiful, charismatic personality that everyone wants to get attracted to, connect with, and this is how you grow. So remember to always work on yourself, your mental, your physical fitness, and having that humble, well-grounded attitude that attracts everyone to sign you up, to subscribe to all your offerings, and to know more and more about you. I hope this was a very valuable course. And I also have a very interesting quiz that I would ask all of you to take, which will help you reinforce your concepts. And please reach out to me for any further queries. Thank you so much. This is Samira Khurram, and I hope that you have enjoyed the Mastering the Art of Communication course. And I'll see you next time.